Let's observe this model. I have set this green one component that will slide on the second component, as you can see, but I need to restrict this component so that it will move freely between these two faces. The first one is this and second one is this. To do this, we need to use distance mat. Let's learn that distance mat. For that, click on the assembly tab and mat, and search for advanced mat, and in between here you can see there is a distance mat, limit distance. Click on it. It will show two spinners, right? One is here and second one is here. This one is minimum value and this one is for maximum value. I need to give two value. Right now I'm giving here 0 is minimum value and maximum value I am giving 145. I will tell you why 145. And here is 0. Go to the area, go to this area and select on it. Now we have to choose two faces. I'm selecting this and second one and this. So this is my two faces that I select. I can also select two model also. Now hit the OK button twice, 1 and 2, and see this green component. As I drag it outside, it stop here, and inside it stop here. Let's check from the side view. See, now this component is move, but really move between these two faces which I selected, the one and second. But as I go left hand side, it stop here because this is my 0 value. And for maximum value, as I go here, it stops here. Why 145? I'm telling you now, because as I measure these two faces from this and this face, it is 150, and my width of this component is 5 mm. So 150 minus 5, that is 145. That's why I give maximum value 145. And one more thing, if I edit this maximum value, let's see, click on this limit distance and you can edit this feature. Click on it. It will also ask me for editing option. I'm clicking here and give 100 and press the tab button and hit the OK button twice. Regenerate the model. And now if I drag this component to left hand side, it stop here, and outside it stop here. Let's see from the side view. Okay, drag it once again. If I drag it left hand side and right hand side, it stop here. Let's measure this once again from this face and this face. It is 100. Okay, so that's way I can limit this component to slide between my selected faces. And I also edit this. Let's remove the 0, and instead of 0, I'm giving one more editing. Let's say I select 20 and press the tab button. So my minimum value is now 20 and my maximum value is 100. So this component will freely move between 20 and 100. So it will restrict this between my selected value. Let's take it once more time, right here and right here. So this is the way you can set the component that will move between selected faces.